Hi guys, let's do a show what we've done with the ArcoLinux tweak tool for ArchCraft. First of all, let's fix our wallpaper, change wallpaper. Let's take this one, apply. Okay, this is recognizable. This is better. Hey, okay, never mind. Wallpapers, right? So I've made videos how to get the ArcoLinux spices. This is not yet. So basically neofetch, this is pretty much just ArchCraft, and we do sudo pacman -syyu. This is the clone from VirtualBox, right? This has nothing to do with ArcoLinux at all. But if you want to have the ArcoLinux tweak tool, don't type too much, that's enough. Then number one, and you build the ArcoLinux tweak tool. On anything Arch, as long as you have AOR, right, you can build it. Now this thing is probably something from ATT to fix. See what I do. I've shown this in the previous video as well. Sudo nano. Probably need a package of some kind, but I don't want it anyway. The debug thing. So down here, down here, down here. I hate what I've done with that. And that's the choice of Arch. That's their prerogative. Right, here is debug. You see it? Every single time when you build something, you are building also a debug package, and it's huge. So no, Control X, yes, exit. And that's something to remember if you are on ArchCraft. In our system we have this something called remove debug, and that's a line, but there we can actually build it. We don't have the problem with the building, but we don't want it either. Choices. So ArchCraft, we had problems with installing desktops, and as you'll see if we install it, but look at this, right, it's grayed out, and there's a reason for it. You're still on pure Arch. The packages are on ArcoLinux. Packages are delivered by pacman. So install the keys and the mirrors from ArcoLinux. Enable ArcoLinux repo. Restart ATT. So everything is red again, and everything is also clickable now. Right? It's a check. If the repos are there, then you can show the buttons. And off we go, install everything. So we had some issues with Rofi. Rofi is out, and there's also issues with all kinds of things that are in etc scal that just removed. Everything is out, everything is gone. No, it's not gone, it's just not in etc scal. That's the difference. It's all here. Everything that's coming from ArchCraft is still very much here until you start changing all these things. And with a scal, we're gonna override elements because there's no other way to do it. I mean, awesome, the configuration of awesome is here. It needs to be there, otherwise you can't log in to awesome, right? But as you may have seen quickly, there is some backup. Here's the config, and there was no awesome here, but this is the default BSP.lm from ArchCraft. So there is always a backup. All right, so that's that. We're just going down the list. I'm not going to install everything, but a few of them. As long as we see up here, Berry has been installed. Fine, sure, Cinnamon maybe. Up, click. Let's install Cinnamon. I'm thinking about something. Each single time we press, of course, it's going to remove it again. But these are actually the good files. But as long as we put them back. This only happens on ArchCraft, right? If on ArchCraft, that is defined. I think it's okay, because each single time we're going to, not every single time, we're going to install it again. No, it's okay. It's okay. Because even if it's not in scale, we already copy pasted it over. So dusk is there. It's a way to get things rolling on ArchCraft. It's a crude sledgehammer kind of thing, but voila. As long as we do not get in trouble. Now you can't install Hyperlink and Wayfire on this thing, right? And Way is not there. That's smart. Okay, install. So just doing the drop down, a few of them, accept all the things for Hyperlink. And when you log out, lots of Haskell stuff. And when you log out, if you log out, when you log out, you'll see a bunch of stuff. So choose wisely. See what you like. Some of these things are on Hyperlink, on Wayland, so are experimental. So voila. The word says enough. It's experimental. And all the key bindings should kick in. And yes, we're still on NeoFetch. And yeah, we have access to Ctrl-Alt-E to the ArcoLinux tweak tool. We can add our bash RC. This particular system, right, bash RC, contains quite a few things. I thought there was a lot of, was somewhere else, I don't know, might have been, but we have our own shells here. Bash install ATT and the bash RC. We have a lot of aliases that now work, so we can do a upall, an update, stuff like that. It's gonna work as long if we execute bash again, because I think I'm on bash, I'm not sure. NeoFetch, never thought about it. I see ZSH here, right? NeoFetch. Yep, we're on ZSH, so that's this one. Install the ATT ZSH RC configuration. Apply ZSH, quit, and then super T and update. Voila, there we are. There is some kind of problem. I'm gonna say no and update. Some more updates that we need to do. ArcoLinux tweak tool again coming in, the latest and newest that I've just built. So figuring out how everything works or can work on another distro can be time consuming, but here it is. Latest version of ArcoLinux tweak tool. Right. And we have a very small thing now. Super F is gonna maximize everything. If you play around with shells and all that, we have applications that we need, XPack, YAPAT, you can read, select them all, install them, so that all the configurations, RIP and all that, and that it works. The rate mirror is also interesting. So if the mirrors are not okay, we type RAM. That's it. And the application will do the rest. There is also RAMs, which we're not going to run, but S stands for HTTPS. So restricting ourselves to just the HTTPS guys. Alias RAMs. So we've got new mirrors, and who's winning? Osbeck is winning. The one in Sweden, right? So if we update our system, that's where the packages are coming from. And okay, whatever, right? Still no. It's a name change. and you have fun with ATT, with the i3, with left WM. We should have a look at left WM. I've been years on left, well, a year on left WM, not years, a year. Certainly worth the, oh, I did not install it this time. Certainly worth a look. So let's take head up stuff WM, install left WM. So Ctrl-Alt-E, all the key bindings of ArcoLinux are in here. It launches the ATT. You can quickly, yes you say, and you can quickly install left WM. There is a lock key, just like Pacman, that it can only be run once, otherwise you get issues. Left WM, install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Voila, installed. Super X, logout, L for logout. Click left WM, and voila, we're back in business on ArchCraft. Super nice. It's also a tiling window manager, of course. If you don't like that, that's a bummer. Do Super Shift R again, reload, so everything is red, and you see now the transparency is coming in, so PyChem is launched. But in the beginning it was not there, it seemed. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy the ATT on ArchCraft. Cheers.